is by far the coolest and world-leading wine AI out there. And our engineer came here. This is Adnan. He's an absolute genius and gem. He hasn't slept in 24 hours. So I dragged him here, and I just want to make sure we give him a shout out. Anyone who wants to try this AI, come. It's on Telegram. I have been using it to plan all of my wine events all over the world, which is really cool. I travel a lot. We're building a protocol to put the $1 trillion wine asset class on chain. It's an ambitious project. A lot of fun. Come see me about that. But I travel a lot and I do wine events. And the last two events that I did, I had our AI. I say our AI, and is really the genius. I had it basically curate the wines for the events. I gave a picture of the wine list, for example, at the Ritz, and said, hey, I'm doing this tasting. I needed to plan this, this, and this. So it did everything, and basically, I don't actually need the wine back from it, it turns out, so my job is gone. Anyway, in the end, we've got a lot of really exciting things planned for that. Eventually, you're going to be able to give Bacchus AI you're going to have a wallet address, you're going to be able to give it your risk profile, a budget, and it's going to analyze your entire wine portfolio, and it will trade on your behalf. So we've got lots of exciting plans, and I just want to give a big shout out to Adnan for showing up and not falling